All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol RKT, Rocket Companies Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your support, recognition to my efforts, as well as your feedback. I appreciate it very much. I hope to continue to relay helpful and informative information to you all and nothing less. Let's jump into this chart. After a very bearish run and falling below the 50-day moving average, the bears are continuing to dominate this one. Literally to the point that the bulls tried to recover and break through the support, and they slightly did. It still is in bearish territory by being below the 50-day moving average, and the 50-day moving average is 2730. I'd write that down. If you guys have the moment to write that down, please write that down so you guys can pay very close attention to where this is at. As long as it stays below 2730, it is in bearish territory. Once it crosses it, it's back into bullish territory, but that is not all. The bulls need to continue to work their way up and use it as support to turn it into a true, proven, and tested support to start hitting newer highs and newer resistance levels. Let's go ahead and move our support and resistance level to its new locations. So this is the second lowest point of the day, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on the second highest after the dip. So this is a pretty narrow stretch here, as we can see, and it's going to be very interesting to pay very close attention to on how this reacts Monday. So the first thing is it closed out at 24.86. We know that the 50-day moving average is 27.30, and we're below it and we're in bearish territory. So the bears, what they're going to try to do and want to continue to do is break through support, and our support is 23.42. If 23.42 gets broken through, you do have another point of reference, which is the lowest point in the day, which is 22.59. 22.59 is not much of a concern just yet, but if you guys want to write that down, 22.59 is important as well if the support of 23.42 does get broken through. You're going to want to see how quickly it moves to newer lows, to newer lows. If 23.42 gets broken through, you're going to want to see how fast it's moving, how quickly is it reaching down to 22.59, and so forth. Because then that just shows you that the bears are definitely dominating this one, bringing it down to newer support levels and pulling it away from the 50-day moving average. On the other spectrum of things, we have what the bulls want to do, and just by crossing this does not mean that the bulls gain control, but 25.26 is the resistance level that the bulls need to break through, turn it into support, and they can start to work their way up to newer highs. But until the 50-day moving average of 27.30 is not broken through, the bulls don't have any control over this stock. They need to break through 27.30, turn into support, and start to break from there to newer highs and pull themselves away in an upward direction from the 50-day moving average. So we're going to have to see how this one plays out next week. They have to break through the resistance level and turn into support of 25.26. And for the bears, what their goal is to break through 23.42 and try to hit newer lows. With these cues, I hope you guys are well equipped to make your own rational decisions as investors next week. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. If you guys feel inclined and encouraged to subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell so you guys can turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with all your friends and community. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.